Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to get this cute Mickey design using our Cricut. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, first you're going to want to put your vinyl on your sticky mat. You're going to want to put it the shiny side down since this is what's going to be the part that you peel off later. Go ahead and flatten it out, make sure no bubbles, cut off any of the excess. Next you're going to want to put your vinyl machine on custom. Now we're going to go in the Cricut app. We are going to click on New Project. Then we're going to go to Upload and then Open Uploaded Images. Now we're going to click on the project we want to get started with. Now you want to resize it to however big or small you would like. Now here you can see that I actually ended up going over what my mat was that I had, so it's going to say larger mat required. Now if you have a larger mat, feel free to use that one. I on the other hand did not, so I just went back, resized the image, and then replaced it. Okay, now that our image has been replaced, you're going to go ahead and follow on your machine, and it's going to say to push the little arrow buttons to load your mat in. Next, we're going to go ahead and hit Materials. We're going to scroll all the way down until we find glitter vinyl, since that is the kind that we're using, and it is iron-on. Make sure that you're doing that as well. Also, you want to make sure to do mirror image, that way when we actually iron it on, it will be backwards. Which in this case is not going to make a huge difference with the design, but other cases with words it will. Next, you're going to press go, and it's going to start preparing to cut. As you can see, I pressed the little C button on, and that goes ahead and activates it, and now it's going to start cutting our design. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and start weeding out our design. We're going to use our weeding tool and just to get that little edge up, and then we're going to start pulling it, and as we pull it should come off pretty easily. And you are going to notice that just the back part's going to come off. You don't want that clear part coming off. If it's coming off, then you've done something wrong. Now this tool is also great for getting any little pieces that you may have left behind or little intricate designs for your actual design itself. In this case I didn't have any. Now we're going to lay down our towel to make sure that we don't damage the surface, and then our shirt right on top of that. Now you're going to want to go ahead and start placing your design down, trying to center it in the middle of your shirt to figure out where exactly you want it. You can lift this up. I wouldn't recommend doing it multiple times because it will lose its stickiness. Now you're going to go ahead and start ironing it on. You do want to apply a good amount of pressure. Right here it doesn't look like I'm applying a lot of pressure, but you are actually pushing down pretty hard. Now it's time for the big reveal. You're going to go ahead and peel up an edge and hold your shirt down. Now, if the image does come up a little bit, you want to make sure to put it back down and re-iron because it's not quite ready. It should come off very easy and flawless. And there you have it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.